Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Coinbase's shipped card. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Coinbase's shipped card, this video is going to help you out with that. It's going to be a really quick one, just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website through your computer. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the account tab. Now once you're there, select the shipped card, and then you're going to load funds onto the shipped card. And once that's done, you can use the shipped card to make purchases, and you can also monitor the shipped card balance as well as transaction histories, just to stay up to date on what's going on. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Coinbase's shipped card. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one.